Bhuvaneshwar Kumar from India has 299 wickets in T20 cricket. Australian spinner Adam Zampa currently with 299 wickets in T20 career. David Wiese from Namibia has 302 wickets in his T20 career. Ravi Ashwin from India has 308 wickets in his T20 career. Shadab Khan from Pakistan currently with 309 wickets in T20 cricket. Bangladeshi pacer Mustafizur Rahman with 310 wickets in his T20 career. Wander Merwe from Netherlands currently with 311 wickets. Tim Southey from New Zealand has 312 wickets in his T20 career. Indian spinner Piyush Chawla has 315 wickets in his T20 career. Kieron Pollard from West Indies has 316 wickets in his T20 career. Wayne Parnell from South Africa has 317 wickets in T20 career. Pakistani spinner Imad Wasim has 320 wickets in his T20 career. From England, Adil Rashid currently has 328 wickets. Mohammad Amir from Pakistan has 330 wickets in his T20 career. Andrew Tye from Australia has 332 wickets in his T20 career. Samit Patel got 342 wickets in his T20 career. Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan has 347 wickets in his T20 career. Shahid Afridi from Pakistan has 347 wickets in all of T20 cricket. Yuzvedin Chahal from India has 353 wickets in his T20 career. Chris Jordan from England has 368 wickets so far. Sohail Tanveer from Pakistan finished off his career with 389 wickets. Lasith Malinga from Sri Lanka finished off his career with 390 wickets. Wahab Riaz from Pakistan has 413 wickets. From West Indies, Andre Russell has 445 wickets so far in his T20 career. From Bangladesh, Shakib Al Hasan has 487 wickets in his T20 career. Imran Tahir from South Africa has 502 wickets in all of T20 cricket. Sunil Narine from West Indies currently has 550 wickets in his T20 career so far. Rashid Khan from Afghanistan has 574 wickets in his T20 career. DJ Bravo signs off from T20 cricket with 625 wickets, the number one on that list.